Let me. Good morning, everybody. It's the OptionBit AM Volatility Report. I am your awesomeness, Mark Sebastian. It is good to be here. It is good to be alive. It is good to. Oh, it's just good to be good. All right. So, a couple of events going on. In case you weren't aware, go to our event page using volatility to trade direction with me, Mark Salvo Sebastian the First. You know, maybe we'll have a little Andrew in the background. You just never know when he's going to pop in and sneak something in there. It's going to be next Thursday. It is free, and it is spectacular. So come check it out. Then on Saturday the 8th, this is free for OptionPit subscribers. To everyone else, $47 using options to trade for direction. And it's going to be another good 3-hour primer, 2.5, 3-hour primer with me and Andrew, and we're going to crush it. So if you're interested in learning how to trade directionally and you're interested in kicking the tires on me and the Drew, this is your opportunity. So let's talk markets. Well, quite the rip up today. You know, I'm watching volatility move, and yeah, they are just putting a hurting on VIX here, and putting a nice rally into the market. Now, my personal feeling is it's a little bit overdone. All right, both the rally and the vol crush. You know, especially in the futures. I mean, the idea that you know, looking at the S&P, the idea that, you know, any downage is over. You know, I just am not sure I'm a complete believer. What'll cause me to be a complete believer? I mean, they really are just destroying volatility. Now, reminder, today is Expiration Friday for October, so that could be having some effect on some things today as positions move around. Man, it is just incredible the way the S&P is ripping. Now, one thing that I would note is that, you know, we saw the Russell 2000 leading on the way up for the last couple days, right? You know, the big trade was long RUT, short S&P. Well, today, take a look who the big trailer is. It's the RUT, and take a look what's going on with the volatility. They're absolutely crushing it. So RUT's not up that much while they're just plummeting. Absolutely destroying implied volatility in the name. Certainly makes, you know, if a group was smart enough to do like a bull broken wing butterfly in the Russell, certainly makes it look like a smart play. And you know, if you look at how the RUT is moving and how its Russell VIX is moving, then you look at how the VIX cash itself is moving. This does look like a little bit of an overdone scenario in volatility. Or, on the other hand, it's the market giving the all clear. I'm not quite sure we're at the all clear stage yet. That's a hard pill for me to swallow. But if you sit back and you let and we do stay here, and vol, if we come in and vol keeps where it is, this is the floor. So there you have it. NOV and OCC futures, I mean, they're both below 20, so there's a play around you know, whether there's going to still be a convergence, because they're still $1.50 apart with basically a day and a half of trading left to go. Now, if you look at kind of across the board, they've really brought in VVIX some over the last couple of days. So that certainly signals that some of the panic is all done. In addition, VIX is now kind of moving with the market and up to the market level in terms of its volatility. So there shouldn't be a lot of crashes higher in VIX. So those are the things I'm going to be watching and where I think things could move from there. All right, folks, on that note, if you have any questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or call me 888-TRADE-01. Hope everybody has a great day.